असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ओम शांति शांति शांति
ओम शांति शांति शांति
Let there be peace.
Let there be peace.
Lord, let all living beings, in land, sea, forest, and sky, have peace. Broadcast ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಆಯಿತು ಶಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಯಿತು just 2 minutes
ಪವರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ
ಆನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ನೇಮ್
NP002964 NP002964 question mark Narayan Kapoor.
No, we have invited. One second. Yeah. We invited. Wait. One second. No, I have sent you the. Okay.
ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆ.
You want to talk to me?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಬರ್ರಿ ಮೈತ್ರಿ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಅನ್ಕ್ರಿ सोलर फिर ऑन कर दूँ क्या करते हैं ठीक है
अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरम् अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरम् तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमोऽस्तु गुरुवे तस्मै इष्टदेवस्वरूपिणे नमोऽस्तु गुरुवे तस्मै इष्टदेवस्वरूपिणे यस्य वागमृगं वन्दे विषसङ्कुलसन्तूलम् तव तत्त्वं न जानामि तव तत्त्वं न जानामि कीदृशोऽसि महेश्वर तव तत्त्वं न जानामि कीदृशोऽसि महेश्वर यादृशोऽसि महादेव तादृशाय नमो नमः। यादृशोऽसि महादेव तादृशाय नमो नमः। ॐ गुरुवे 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 नमः। अनंत संसार समुद्रतारा नौकायिताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिदाभ्यां वैराग्य साम्राज्यद पूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां कलित्ववाराशि निशाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावां उदमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतानम्र विपत्तिकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नतायो श्री पतितां समीयो कदाचिदप्याशु दरिद्रयाः मूकाच वाचस्पतितां हिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नारीगणिकाच पदावृताभ्यां नानाविमोहादि निवारिकाभ्यां नमः जनाभीष्ट सतिप्रदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नृपालिमौली व्रजरत्नकान्ति सरीविराज जशकन्यकाभ्यां नृपत्पदाभ्यां नतलोकपङ्क्ते नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां पापानतारार्क परम्पराभ्यां तापत्रयाशीन्द्र कलेवराभ्यां जाग्रान्ति संशोषणवाणवाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां समाधिशर्क प्रदवैभवाभ्यां समाधिदान व्रतदीक्षाभ्यां रमानुवाङ्घ्रि स्थिरभक्तिदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां स्वाध्यापयानां अखिलेशदाभ्यां स्वाहा सहायाच दुरन्दराभ्यां स्वान्ताच भावप्रदपूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां कामादिसर्प प्रजगारुडाभ्यां विवेकवैराग्य निधिप्रदाभ्यां बोधप्रदाभ्यां धृतमोक्षदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां बोधप्रदाभ्यां धृतमोक्षदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां शिष्याभ्याम् नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम् नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्। हर सांस मेरी पूजा तुम्हारी, हर पल मेरा प्रसाद तेरा। हर सांस मेरी पूजा तुम्हारी, हर पल मेरा प्रसाद तेरा। हर कदम मेरे प्रदक्षिण तेरा, हर हृदय मेरा सुर सांस तेरा। हर कदम मेरे प्रदक्षिण तेरा, हर हृदय मेरा सुर सांस तेरा। हर सांस मेरी पूजा तुम्हारी, हर पल मेरा प्रसाद तेरा। सूरज सतेज चंद्रमा सा मुकुड़ा, सूरज सतेज चंद्रमा जैसा मुकुड़ा। हे विशाल नेत्र समुंदर सा गहरा, हे विशाल नेत्र समुंदर सा गहरा। तेरे दर्शन से है सवेरा, तेरे सवेरा से ये सवेरा। हर सांस मेरी पूजा तुम्हारी, हर पल मेरा प्रसाद तेरा। हर कदम मेरी प्रदक्षिण तेरा, हर हृदय मेरा सुर सांस तेरा। हर सांस मेरी पूजा तुम्हारी। तेरे लबों से निकले हैं मोती, तेरे लगों से निकले हैं मोती। सुन ले तू मन मेरा मुक्त हो जाए, सुन ले तू मन मेरा मुक्त हो जाए। जब से तुम संग नाता जोड़ा, जब से तुम संग नाता जोड़ा। छूट गई मेरे मन की पीड़ा, छूट गई मेरे मन की पीड़ा। हर सांस मेरी पूजा तुम्हारी, हर पल मेरा प्रसाद तेरा। हर सांस मेरी पूजा तुम्हारी, हर पल मेरा प्रसाद तेरा। हर कदम मेरी प्रदक्षिण तेरा, हर हृदय मेरा सुर सांस तेरा। हर हृदय मेरा सुर सांस तेरा, हर हृदय मेरा सुर सांस तेरा।
टांगण वंदीन चरणा डोळायन पायन रूप तुझे प्रेमे आलिंगन आनंद पूजन वाडे वाडेन म्हणे नमा त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव बंधु सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृति स्वभावा करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि अच्युतं केशवं ब्रह्मनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिका वल्लभं जानकी नायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
जय जय आरत राम तुम्हारे
प्राणनाथ रघुनाथ मुरारे प्राणनाथ रघुनाथ मुरारे जय जय आरत राम तुम्हारे शुक्र नारद मुनि मंगल नारद मुनि मंगल गावे भरत शत्रुघ्न चमर डुलावे भरत शत्रुघ्न चमर डुलावे जय जय आरत राम तुम्हारे
चरण कमल सीता चरण कमल सीता मंगल गावे सखिया समेता
मंगल गावे सखिया समेता जय जय आरत राम तुम्हारे
जय जय आरत राम तुम्हारे चक्रधरी करी लघुमन भाग्य आरत करता है कौशल्य माता आरत करता है कौशल्य माता जय जय आरत राम तुम्हारे जय जय आरत राम तुम्हारे
वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते
भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमः शिवाय।
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 गुरु ब्रह्मा
गुरु ब्रह्मा
गुरु विष्णु
गुरु विष्णु
गुरुदेवो
गुरुदेवो
महेश्वरः
महेश्वरः
गुरु साक्षात्
गुरु साक्षात्
परब्रह्म
परब्रह्म
तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
गुरवे नमः।
ध्यानमूलम् गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलम् गुरोर्पदम् मंत्रमूलम् गुरोर्वाक्यम् मोक्षमूलम् गुरुकृपा आत्मदर्शनम् ब्रह्मदर्शनम् आत्मदर्शनम् ब्रह्मदर्शनम् सत्यदर्शनम् ब्रह्मदर्शनम् सत्यदर्शनम् हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। My pranams to all Atma Jyotis, divine light of the self. On the auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima today, we are celebrating the Guru Puja, Guru Vandana. Today is the most auspicious day. Today is the full moon night, Purnima. The Purnima represents the fullness in Sanskrit. Purnima means Purnatva. Purnima means the fullness, the completeness. Guru Purnima is the day which reminds us of our fullness, our completeness. This is derived from the shloka Purnamadam Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Purnam Adam. Adam means that reality. Now the supreme reality or Brahman is everything actually. We cannot say that or this, because whichever direction you show, it is Brahman only. Okay, Brahman is like a sky. Now if you ask where is sky or space, you say this direction is space, this direction is space, this direction also space. Whatever you show is space only. So Brahman is subtler than the space, which means all pervading reality. Then why do we call that all pervading reality as that, tat? Why do we call that reality as tat, that? That is because we are separate. We are feeling the separation. When you feel the separation, then you can say that. From that reality, Purnam Adam, what is that reality? That reality is infinity, Purna. Only infinity can be Purna. Finite cannot be Purna. Anything which is finite is Apurna. Okay. That infinity which is Purna, from that Purnam Idam, whatever is appearing here, this whole universe has appeared, has come. Even that is Purna. When you say Purna, you can equate the word infinite. So you see the stars, galaxies, right? The planets, the earth, everything which has come from that infinite is also infinite. Even your mind is infinite. Okay. Everything which has appeared from that infinite, what we call as idam, is also infinite. We call that reality as adam, that. But this we call as idam. Idam is this, which is closer to us. We have become more closer to the manifest reality compared to the supreme reality. But even this is also infinite. Then there is a problem somewhere. I am, which is stuck between that reality and this reality, seem to be finite. The only thing in the universe which seems to be finite is me. Why do I call as finite? Because infinite is bliss. Okay. The finite has only suffering, the stress, the tension, only there is in the finite. Between that Adam, that, and this, Idam, is there Aham, I. Adam, that, Idam, this, in between is Aham. That I seems to be finite and suffering. Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Even if you remove every object in the universe, okay, then, even then, that infinite only remains. Why do you say that? Because this infinity which you see is what you are attracted, what you feel is closer to you, that's why it's called idam. Remove that reality. How do you remove that reality? Close your eyes and go into meditation. So then the world of manifest world disappears from you. Then what remains is your mental world of thoughts, images. Even drop that. Purnasya Purnamadaya. Remove that. Then what you say? Do you say that there is nothing which remains? Is it zero? Is it zero? Is it shunya? What remains there is not shunya. What remains there is infinite. Purnatva. And you remain there also. So now Adam, Idam, Aham. So you remove that Aham also. But still you are there. Aham is not you. What you call as me, I is not you. That is also a part of the idam. Then what remains is you and you alone, and that is infinite. That is Purnam. Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avashishyate. Purna only remains. And who is that Purna? It is you. Then why are you feeling Apurna? Why are you feeling finite? And why are you suffering? That is because of the Aham, the feeling of I, and Mama, the feeling of mine. Aham is the feeling of I, Mama is my body, my mind. You start telling everything as my. Remove that and what remains is infinite. The infinity is your own nature. Okay. The Purnatva is your own nature. And to represent that Purnatva, Guru Purnima is celebrated because Purnima reminds us the word Purnatva, the fullness, the completeness. And it is Guru Purnima because Guru represents the one who has achieved, who has experienced, who is living in that Purnatva. The one who has, one who remains, one who lives in the state of that Purnatva is called Guru. One who has dropped his finiteness and to become one with the infinite is Guru. So the full moon represents that Purnatva and Guru represents that fullness. So that is what Guru Purnima is about. The celebration of fullness, the celebration of Purnatva, celebration of infinite nature of each of us. So now you start thinking that Guru Purnima is a celebration of Purnatva. It is representing or respecting the